In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a widget to your Godaddy website. Whether you're looking to enhance your site's functionality with a social media feed, a weather widget, or something entirely unique, you'll learn how to do it swiftly in about 5 minutes. Let's dive in and make your website even more engaging and useful for your visitors. First things first, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account to access your website's editor. To do this, head over to the Godaddy homepage and locate the Sign In button. Click on it to move to the login page. Here you'll input your username and password. Make sure to enter your credentials correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you've filled out your information, click on the Sign In button again to access your account dashboard. After successfully signing in, you'll need to navigate to your website management area. Godaddy has a user-friendly interface which should make this step straightforward. Look for the website link, which should be prominently displayed on your dashboard. Click on it to proceed. This action will direct you to the website editor page where all the magic happens. Now you're ready to start adding new elements to your site. In the website editor interface, you'll find an option labeled Edit Website. Clicking on this option will open up your website for live editing. Here you can add, remove and modify sections as well as individual elements to customize your site to your liking. Next step involves adding a new section to your site, where the widget will be placed. To do this, look for the Add Section button. It's usually located at the top or bottom of your site's layout in the editor view. Clicking on this button will open a menu with different types of sections that you can add to your site. Within this menu, you'll need to select the Files and Web category. Click on it to reveal more specific options tailored towards embedding external content or integrating custom code into your site. This category is essential for adding widgets because it deals directly with web elements and files that are not inherently part of the Godaddy editor's default components. Nested under the Files and Web option, you'll find the HTML option. This is crucial for adding widgets since most widgets are added to websites through HTML custom code provided by the widget's creator or service. Click on the HTML option to select it for your new section. Upon selecting HTML, you should see an Add button. This indicates you're only a step away from integrating your custom widget. Click on the Add button to officially add an HTML section to your site. This section is where you'll paste the widget's code. This brings us to the next crucial step, pasting your widget's custom code. You must have the code ready either on a clipboard or a text file. Make sure it's the correct code snippet provided for embedding the widget onto your site. Once you have your code ready, simply paste it into the HTML section you just created. This action embeds the widget directly onto your page. After pasting the code, you might want to take a moment to preview your site. This ensures everything looks great and the widget functions as expected. Godaddy's website editor allows you to view a live preview of your site before making any changes permanent. If the widget looks and works as anticipated, you can proceed to publish your site. To publish your changes, look for the Publish button in the editor. This may be at the top or bottom of the page, depending on the layout of your editor. Clicking Publish makes all your changes, including the new widget, visible to everyone who visits your site. And just like that, you've successfully added a widget to your Godaddy website. It's an excellent way to enhance your site's functionality and provide your visitors with additional useful information or tools. Remember to periodically check the widget to ensure it's functioning properly as web technologies and external services update over time. I hope this guide was helpful in making your website more interactive and engaging for your visitors. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital presence. Thanks for watching and happy website building.